High ticket, remote outside sales career. Join a champion level team and build a long term career with a mission and help us serve two growing markets. The first is $58 billion personal development market, and the second is a $4.3 billion social platform market. Now, seasoned closers will appreciate this classic Ben Franklin comparison. Get ready and pause the video if needed. Okay? Number one, take out a clean sheet of paper, draw a line from the top center to the bottom, and on the right, write the advantages that you see of building your success and future with 24/7 empowerment. And on the left, write the limitations of other opportunities you are considering. Ready? Here's a short list to help you evaluate. Number one, and you write this on the right side because this is 24/7. Okay? This is the short list. On the right, company provided leads, company stock and equity packages on a profitability basis, 50% upfront commissions on our offerings, 50% recurring commissions on our offerings, a $25 customer credit to motivate your customers, membership access to our 24/7 empowerment platform, income tools, marketing tools, and referrals, supportive working environment, leadership, and advancement opportunities. After evaluating your choices, submit your form and schedule your interview. So now I'm going to give you just a quick overview of our empowerment program compared to other options that your customers might have. Our empowerment program is set up so that people that need empowerment, whether they're going through a divorce or they need to make more money or they want to break an addiction that keeps recurring on them, whatever it is that your customer's pain point is and needs empowerment in, we have a system where they can get 24-hour a day, 7 days a week empowerment for only $25 for a full week, compared to other options that are out there where some of these professionals or coaches or whatever, they charge anywhere from $80, $100, $120, $1,000 an hour, who knows, per hour. Our system comes down to $25 an hour, and here's how we're able to do it and how you're able to make a ton of money. Okay? So first, we give an all-day retreat. We call it a time machine retreat. Okay? That's where we take people to their present, their past, and their future, and we get them to reconnect to all of themselves, their spirit, their soul, their body, their present, their past, and the future. It's life-changing. That lets them go into the next phase, which is a 3-week practitioner training. Okay, it's 2 hours per meeting. It's 1 meeting per week. So after 3 weeks, they will learn how to engage and work with each other to empower oneself and the team that they're a part of. Powerful 3 weeks. After they graduate from the practitioner training, then they go into the mastery course, which is 90 days to practice, to learn and to practice how to become who and what they've always wanted to be. Now, obviously, It takes 90 days to get rid of a bad habit completely. If you're diligent, it takes 90 days to bring in a good skill or habit. So this is a 90-day course that's powerful, life-changing. And then after the 90 days, they get certified in whatever it is that they signed up for. Life coaching, certification, leadership, career coaching, whatever is on our curriculum. So now they've actually changed. They didn't just go to a weekend seminar and pay a bunch of money and they got left alone and abandoned. No, they're part of a support system now. They're an alumni, they're part of a team, and they can continue for the rest of their life, $25 a week. That's our empowerment program. That's 24/7 empowerment. Okay, so I'm just going over a few things, okay? These are the industries, the markets that we serve, okay? Personal development and social platforms, huge markets. And then this is our platform. People can take a look at it, sign up, and then they can sign in. And inside is where we have a ton, like hundreds of tools to help people get off their feet. In closing, my name is Joshua Joseph. Oops. Well, where did I go? I disappeared, didn't I? Okay, there it is. So that's me in the Roman Gabriel from the Fearsome Foursome days of the Los Angeles Rams. I'm 67 years old, almost 68. And I look good. I'm doing great. And there's a lot that we can share with you. I can show you how I went from $40,000 a year to $120,000 a month. Real deal. And just wanted to say hi. I've shared my screen, so I couldn't do this, you know, and talk to you like showing my face. So I wanted to give you a picture to help you connect. And that is it. Fill out the form, and I'll see you at the top.